Week 2, Naked Sound Meditation. Today, you will practice being aware of sounds. Feel yourself sitting on your chair, relaxed and alert. Bring your attention to your sense of hearing. Notice the presence of sounds. There is no need to search for them. Let them come to you. You will notice many different kinds of sounds. Street sounds, country sounds, annoying sounds, pleasant sounds, the sound of my voice, the sound of your voice. But for the next few minutes, just allow these sounds just to be sounds, without labels, descriptions, or judgments. In other words, allow all sounds to just be naked. Try not to latch on to pleasant sounds or push away unpleasant ones. If you are pulled off into thoughts, body sensations, or emotions, that's fine. Realize it, and return your awareness back to simply allowing sounds, naked sounds. Pulled away into thinking? No problem. Return awareness to the arising of sounds. Emotional response to a sound? Fine. Realize that this has happened, and return your attention to sounds. Notice the sound of my voice, without labeling it, judging it, or describing it. Notice the sound of your own mind, without labeling, judging, or describing it. Wondering about a sound? No need to. Just allow it to be there, and allow it to move on. Let sounds just be sounds. Naked sounds. In meditation, you can take it with you. Take these good feelings with you today, wherever you go, in whatever you do, and share them with the world.